Hello everyone! So for today, may ganap tayong pupuntahan. So for today, mahado kita sa birthday sang bata sa akon nga magulang. And of course, 3 years old na siya. Then nagpaluto ang sister ko sa akon sang chicken cordon bleu. And of course, this is my first time cooking this kind of recipe, chicken cordon bleu. So meron tayong cornstarch, breadcrumbs, and of course the egg. And of course, I forgot to take video last night na paano kong ginawa yung chicken cordon bleu. Maybe next time I will make a video for it. Then of course, we're going to start making our chicken cordon bleu. Then of course, we're going to start to roll our chicken first from the cornstarch, next to the egg, and of course, next to the breadcrumbs. Kailangan pong i-fulfill ng breadcrumbs and cornstarch and eggs ang ating chicken. Of course, atin po itong iprito for 30 minutes hanggang maging golden brown. Then look at that, I'm going to slice my cordon bleu. See? Mas masarap ang chicken cordon bleu kapag nagme-melt yung cheese. And of course, tignan nyo, it's melting while I'm slicing it. Even this is my first time making this cordon bleu, I feel so happy that I made it. Thank you for watching, everyone. Then of course, I'm going to finish all the chicken cordon bleu that I made. Then after I finish cooking, I will fix myself. Then we were going to the party. Again, thank you for watching, everyone. Mwah.